So someone said they should microwave it. So I will put it on a plate and put it in the microwave for you now. Let's see. The plates kind of dip in, so I don't really think you'd be able to see the spark very well. So I'm going to put it in a wine glass. There is like no water. This has been sitting here the whole time I've been talking to you guys, and there's no water in that. Right, so there's 2/3 cup of snow going into my microwave now. Let's see if it sparks. I'm going to turn off the light behind me, that way you can see in there better. I didn't see any sparks. I don't really want to boil it in my house either. Let's see. There is water. Check that out. 2/3 cups of water, or 2/3 cups of snow equals, ew. It looks really gross though. Just so you know what that looks like. That was after being microwaved. I'm not really sure what that is floating in there either. Two-thirds cups of snow equals a little less than 1/3 cup of water, which is probably about an accurate conversion, but I'm not sure. I'm going to pour the water on a paper towel. Excuse my dirty kitchen. I have kids, and I'm lazy. I didn't clean up after dinner tonight. Alright, so you watch that go onto a clean white paper towel. That is whatever happened to the snow while it was in the microwave. And, I don't know if you've ever, over sharpened a pencil. Kind of looks like graphite.